Welcome to another scroll of tips and tricks. Everyday Soul. I'm Helen Najar, Lionheart. Today's warnings comes with waves. Your inbox may look calm, but beneath the surface, traps are set, baited, waiting. And they don't just sync emails, they sync trust, accounts, even lives. This one's clever. It mimics a trusted service, but look at the subject line. Final notice, your photo and videos will be deleted. It's not asking, it's threatening. They know the word cloud feels safe. They know you will recognize the icon, but the pressure, that's a trap. Real companies don't scare you into clicking. Phishing does. Now this one, it claims I have received a deposit. Clean 2,500. No question asked. Let's take a deeper look. It says it's from me to me. Same name, same identity. But something is off. This is not my domain. It's spoofing. See, phishing lures you with bait, but spoofing forges your name. It mimics trust. It steals familiarity to force your guard down. It's not just a scam, it's a mirror. Twisted to make you click before question. Phishing sets the bait. Spoofing steals your name. Different tricks, same goal, to sink your trust, or rather ship in our case. But wisdom sails above the storm. Awareness is your anchor. Pause before you click, because even in the storm, wisdom can keep your ship afloat.